This video will explain how AI works. First, we will see what is AI. AI means making computers act smart, almost like humans. It allows machine to learn, decide, and solve problems without being told every single step. Now we will see how does AI work. First step is data collection. AI needs data to learn. For example, if we want AI to recognize cats, we give it a lot of cat pictures. The more examples AI gets, the better it learns. Second step is learning patterns. AI look for patterns in the data. It notices things like shapes, colors, or words that repeat. For example, it sees cats usually have whiskers, pointy ears, and fur. This stage is called training. Third step is making predictions or decisions. Once trained, AI can make guesses or decisions using what it learned. For example, show it a new picture and it can say this is a cat or this is a dog. Fourth step is improving over the time. AI can learn from mistakes. If it gets something wrong, it updates itself with better information. Just like student practices more to improve. Now we will see simple analogy. AI as a student. Data is equivalent to the student's textbooks and practice problems. Learning patterns equivalent to the student studies and understands examples. Predictions or decisions equivalent to the student answers exam questions. Improvement equivalent to if the student gets an answer wrong, they learn and do better next time. Now we will see examples of AI in action. First one is Google Maps. Learns traffic patterns to suggest the fastest route. Second one is Netflix or YouTube. Learns your watching habits to recommend shows or videos. Third one is Face Unlock. Learns your face features to unlock your phone. Fourth one is Voice Assistance. Learn how you speak so they can understand the commands. Why does AI seem smart? Because AI can process huge amounts of data much faster than humans. Humans may take years to read thousands of books. AI can scan and learn from the same books in seconds. But you have to remember, AI does not think or feel like humans. It only follows patterns from the data. Here you can see the block diagram of how does AI work. Here you can see data collection, collect examples, and more data improves learning. Then learning patterns. Find patterns in data, notice features, and then training stage. The next one is making predictions or decisions. Make prediction. If prediction is correct, then repeat the prediction. If prediction is wrong, then learn from mistakes and update the model. Now we will see the summary. AI works by collecting data, finding patterns, making predictions, and improving over the time. AI is like a student that gets smarter the more examples it studies. In short, AI learns from the data, applies what it learned, and improves with practice, just like humans, but much faster.